Hey everybody, here's another video on computer programming. Uh, this is my program for, it's not an assignment that's due or anything, it's just something I'm doing to practice for my final exam tomorrow. I have to write two simple games, and thought I'd start out with something simple. This is basically a slot machine game. Uh, I'm using a random code here so that I'll pick a number between 1 and 7, not including the number 7. And I got answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm actually only using some of them, not using all of them, so I made a few changes to my code just because it wasn't working properly. So here's what happens. So it'll ask you how much you like to bet. So I'm going to bet $50. And what happens is program will, if you get 2 out of the 3 right, you'll win money. You'll win double your bet. So if you bet $50 and you get 2 of them, you'll win $100. If you don't get any of them, you don't get anything. If you win all 3, you get all 3 of them, then you win 3 times your bet. So that'd be 150. So let's see here what happens. Okay, so click OK. So I got 2 cherries, and it says you won $100. So that part seems to work. I'm not sure what's going on with this here. It's not giving me an update on my cash balance, even though I do have. It's weird. It works sometimes and sometimes it doesn't. So whatever. It's $50. See, now it works. As you can see here, now it says that that you won $100. I got 2 bells. So can I enter any key to spin again? I won again. Look at that, cherries. Won another $100. And cool, actually updated it again. Sweet, good, okay. And then on my last spin here, won another $100 because I got 2 cherries. So, oh look at that, it actually updated everything. So my formula is actually working, so that's good. So this is my code. I know I probably could have used lists to get this instead of making all this long code here. Like I got all this shit here. That's for my first spin, and then I got it again for a second spin here. So I know probably an easier way for me to do this, but I did it the long way just so I could like familiarize myself with how everything works. I got all my got my globals up here. I should probably comment that in there. Globals, just so I know what's going on here. I'm just using an integer input, so basically I got all my globals down here, how many points everything's worth. I haven't got to that point yet where it's counting points. I just decided, so I did use lists here. I started using lists, but then I kind of veered off and went in another direction here, but as you can see, I got everything here. So what happens is the numbers 1 to 6 will be chosen at random, and then I just chose, okay, if the number 1 is picked randomly, then it'll specify cherries. So cherries equals a 1, and oranges equals a 2, and then so on and so on. So rather, if I didn't do that, then what would happen is it would just show random numbers. So it would show 6 random numbers between 1 and 6. So I didn't want that. I wanted it to actually act like a slot machine. So this is how I got my code going here. So this is just a start. I'm probably going to make another program later. I'm just doing this just to practice for my test tomorrow. And then I probably will do more videos here, do some with actually some graphics, make things move. Maybe if anyone wants to throw a suggestion out there as to what I could do for a program here, that'd be awesome. Anyways, that's it for now. I hope that you enjoy this video and you learn something from it. I'll talk to you later. Goodbye.